welcome back to another Toyscoveries video. In this video, as you can see, I have 3 different cars that I want to unbox with you. So let's get started. Let's unbox our first car, which I think should be the bottom one. This one here. Let's put those to the side. Our first vehicle that we're going to unbox is this one right here. Wow, it's a helicopter. It's red and it also has a... Oh, how cool is that? It comes with a rope that you can pull down to rescue. This is a helicopter, and helicopters are classified, or they belong to a category called rotorcrafts. They use their rotors, which is this over here, this is called a rotor, to push the air so that it can go up in the sky. Unlike airplanes, helicopters can hover, and this is one of the very good reasons helicopters are great for rescuing people in difficult areas. This here is a rescue helicopter because it also has the number 911 on it. And you can take the pilot out and play with him separately if you like. Oh look! Someone up there is stuck in that big tower. We should go help him. Our person is down to safety. This is what our helicopter looks out of the box, and it also comes with these 2 opposable figures so that you can play with them separately or together with the helicopter. Here's a video of a helicopter in real action. Oh wait, do you hear something? I think I hear something. That's the ice cream truck jingle. It means an ice cream truck is on its way here. Wow, here it is. This is an ice cream truck. An ice cream truck has a giant freezer that stores different types of ice cream to sell to people in the neighborhood. Here's a video of a real ice cream man in his ice cream truck selling ice cream to people in the neighborhood. It also comes with these 2 ice cream men, so you can play with them separately or with the truck, just like with the helicopter we looked at previously. Wow, what is this? This is our 3rd vehicle, and this is called a Formula 1 racing car. It also comes with this little person you can play with, and this person. Here you see this is what a Formula 1 racing car looks like. Here's a few photos so you can look at different Formula 1 racing cars. Formula 1 racing is one of many types of racing. Did you know that it's called formula racing because all participants must follow the set of rules called a formula? That's super cool and simple if you think about it. The cars that compete in these races are specifically designed cars to go really, really fast. The cars are usually made of metal and have large wheels like this one over here that I'm holding now. Usually, people who compete in these races win a prize, like this person over here. He won a champion cup, most likely. And you can put him to sit in the car like this. How awesome! Let's take a look at our vehicles one more time. So this is a helicopter. It has a rotor that turns, and it also has a rescuing rope that you can pull all the way down if you want. It comes with a pilot and another person as well, and this over here was our ice cream truck. And it also comes with 2 people that you can also play with as well. It has a large trunk. And here is where you store all the ice cream. And it can close if you like, and it goes around and around town to sell ice cream. So these were the 3 cars that I wanted to unbox with you and explain a few things about them. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please feel free to give this video a thumbs up and make sure before you go to subscribe to Toyscoveries for more fun educational videos like this one. Until the next one, guys, bye!